Hello everyone, it's Anu Suhail and today I will tell you how to be a top rated seller on Upwork. Upwork is among the best freelancing platform for new freelancers who are worried to work online but due to high competition, high saturation of the skills they are unable to do so. I will tell you simple but tricky steps that will help you to earn online through your home through this best freelancing platform of work. So for that, your profile must be 100% complete. Whenever your profile is 100% complete, you can be visible in Upwork search database. Okay, whenever people are searching for relatable skills, your profile must be viewed, and in this case, there is a possibility that you can be hired without even sending a proposal or wasting your connects. So after that you must know what the client is looking for in the proposal. If you understand that, then it is a win-win situation. After looking for the requirement of the client, you must see how many proposals are actually shared with him. If the if the proposals are less than 5, you must avail this offer. You must send him a proposal. This is the best opportunity to send him proposal. Second thing, you must see that how long since he posted this job. If it is earlier, then you must send him a proposal after looking this quantity. If it is 5 to 10 proposals, you must ignore it. And if it is less than 5, you must send him a proposal, a winning proposal. If it is 20 to 50, you must also ignore that one. So after that, you are going to one of the most important thing is that if the payment method of the client is not verified, you must ignore him. In other words, you must trust and send proposals and make your connects utilize where the payment method is verified. Just because his high rate is 0 and his payment method is not verified, he is an unverified client. So you must not waste your connects on him, and in spite of that, you must send connects to a person or a client whose payment method is confirmed and verified from Upwork. This is a very important thing. After that, you must send the proposal. So sending a proposal includes some multiple steps which I will discuss in my next video. So sending your proposal includes some important things such as how long ago this job post is posted, what is the budget, how much people have already applied to this job, and how much freelancers he is needing for that job post. And the most important one, either the payment method of this client is verified or not. This is a simple process on working on Upwork. I hope you will like my video. To get any further details regarding Upwork or working on Upwork, you can comment your email below and I will respond to you as soon as possible. Thank you for your time. Bye bye.